Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. This is the classic old style KFC Coleslaw Copycat. Today I'm making Shotgun Red's KFC Coleslaw Copycat. Sweet, tangy, creamy, and chopped fine, just like the original. This one is perfect for fried chicken, barbecue plates, cookouts, and potlucks. The key: chill the dressing and the cabbage mix first, then combine and chill again for the best flavor. So we're gonna finely chop our cabbage. Then we're gonna finely chop one large carrot. Alright, in a large bowl we're gonna add the finely chopped cabbage and the finely chopped carrot. Alright, in a separate bowl we're gonna add the mayonnaise, the sugar, apple cider vinegar, onion powder, salt and pepper. We're gonna mix it together well. We're going to place that in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours along with the bowl of the chopped up cabbage mix. We're going to remove it from the refrigerator, stir the salad dressing, then pour over the chopped cabbage and toss until coated well. We're going to place that back in the refrigerator to chill for about another hour. So there you go. Copycat KFC Coleslaw, old style. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.